GoldenEye, a legacy in Jamaica. Jamaica, a name synonymous with vibrant culture and breathtaking beauty. This island nation, with its rich history and diverse heritage, has always been a beacon of allure and fascination. This island nation has captivated hearts for centuries. From its stunning beaches to its lush mountains, Jamaica offers a paradise that is both serene and exhilarating. It is the birthplace of reggae legend Bob Marley, whose music and message of peace and love have resonated across the globe. It is where the world's fastest man, Usain Bolt, first took flight, breaking records and inspiring millions with his incredible speed and charisma. And nestled on its northeastern coast lies GoldenEye, an estate forever intertwined with literary history. This iconic location is more than just a beautiful retreat. It is a place where stories were born. This was the sanctuary of Ian Fleming, the mastermind behind the iconic James Bond. Here, in this tranquil setting, Fleming found the inspiration to create one of the most enduring characters in literary history. Here, amidst the lush landscapes and turquoise waters, Fleming penned each of his 14 thrilling spy novels. The natural beauty of GoldenEye provided the perfect backdrop for his creative genius. GoldenEye's allure extends far beyond its literary connections. It is a place where luxury meets nature, offering an unparalleled experience for its visitors. The estate overlooks the shimmering expanse of Oracabessa Bay, a view that is both breathtaking and calming. It boasts a private beach, a secluded haven where the gentle caress of waves creates a symphony of tranquility. This serene environment is perfect for relaxation and reflection. GoldenEye is the embodiment of Jamaican charm, a place where time seems to slow down. The traditional architecture and serene atmosphere make it a unique destination. It offers a glimpse into the island's soul, with cultural activities and natural beauty that capture the essence of Jamaica. The estate's story took a new turn in 1976. That year marked the beginning of a new chapter in GoldenEye's history. Chris Blackwell, the music mogul who introduced reggae to the world, acquired GoldenEye. His vision and passion for the estate brought about significant changes. He had a deep connection to this place, having visited it as a child with his mother, who was a close friend of Ian Fleming. As a child, he had visited Fleming here with his mother, a close friend of the author. These early experiences left a lasting impression on him. Under Blackwell's stewardship, GoldenEye embarked on a remarkable transformation. He envisioned a place where people could come to experience the same inspiration and tranquility that Fleming once did. What was once a 15-acre writer's haven blossomed into a luxurious retreat. The estate expanded, offering more amenities and experiences for its guests. Today, GoldenEye stands as a testament to enduring appeal. It is a place where history and modern luxury coexist harmoniously. It is a destination for discerning travelers, those who seek more than just a vacation, but an experience that touches the soul. They come seeking a unique blend of history, luxury, and Jamaican charm. The estate offers a rich tapestry of experiences that cater to all senses. They come to experience the magic that inspired a literary legend. GoldenEye continues to be a source of inspiration for writers, artists, and travelers from around the world. Imagine a secluded cove in Jamaica. Palm trees sway gently in the breeze. The air is alive with the sound of the ocean. This idyllic setting was Ian Fleming's creative sanctuary. It was at GoldenEye, his Jamaican hideaway, that the legend of James Bond was born. Within the walls of GoldenEye's main villa, Fleming's imagination ran wild. He crafted thrilling tales of espionage and adventure that would captivate the world. Today, GoldenEye welcomes guests to step back in time. They can stay in the very villa where Fleming penned his iconic novels. His writing desk, a tangible link to literary history, remains preserved within its walls. It is a testament to the creative energy that once filled this space. Guests can almost feel Fleming's presence. They can imagine him gazing out at the panoramic view of Oracabessa Bay, drawing inspiration from its turquoise waters and verdant shores. It is believed that this picturesque bay served as the backdrop for several Bond adventures. Fleming's vivid descriptions transported readers to exotic locations, and it all began right here at GoldenEye. The estate's unique blend of tranquility and adventure continues to draw visitors. They come to experience the real-life inspiration behind the fictional world of James Bond. They come to walk in the footsteps of a literary icon. Chris Blackwell, the visionary behind Island Records, saw the potential of GoldenEye. He envisioned it as more than just a retreat. He saw it as a sanctuary where creativity and luxury could coexist. He recognized its unique charm and undeniable allure, a place where the natural beauty of Jamaica could be experienced in its purest form. In 1976, he embarked on a mission to transform the estate into a luxurious retreat. This was not just a renovation, but a complete reimagining of what the space could be. Blackwell's love for Jamaica ran deep. He was not just a visitor, but a true advocate for the island's culture and natural beauty. He was passionate about preserving its natural beauty while sharing it with the world. His vision was to create a place that honored the environment and provided a luxurious escape. Under his guidance, Golden Eye underwent a remarkable transformation. The estate was meticulously restored and expanded, blending modern luxury with timeless elegance. It expanded to encompass 56 acres of paradise, offering guests an expansive and immersive experience. Today, Golden Eye offers a range of accommodations to suit every taste. From intimate cottages to grand villas, there is something for everyone. Guests can choose from charming cottages nestled amidst lush greenery, providing a serene and private retreat. Or they can opt for lavish villas perched on the water's edge, offering stunning views and direct access to the sea. Each accommodation option reflects Blackwell's commitment to understated elegance. The interiors are designed to be luxurious yet simple, allowing the natural beauty to take center stage. Natural materials blend seamlessly with the surroundings, creating a sense of harmony between man and nature. The design philosophy is to enhance, not overshadow, the environment. Low Cay Beach, a secluded haven within the estate, epitomizes Golden Eye's unique charm. It is a place where guests can truly unwind and connect with nature. Here, picturesque huts stand gracefully on stilts over the water, offering a unique and immersive experience. They offer breathtaking views and a sense of unparalleled tranquility. The gentle sound of the water and the stunning vistas create a perfect escape. Golden Eye's accommodations cater to a variety of preferences, ensuring a memorable stay for every guest. Whether seeking adventure or relaxation, there is something for everyone. The resort's design aesthetic is the brainchild of Barbara Hulanicki. Her vision and creativity have left an indelible mark on Golden Eye. She was the creative force behind London's iconic Biba boutique, known for its unique and stylish designs. Hulanicki brought her signature style to Golden Eye, creating an atmosphere of refined relaxation. Her touch is evident in every detail, from the decor to the overall ambience. Natural materials, local craftsmanship, and a harmonious blend of indoor and outdoor spaces define the Golden Eye experience. It is a place where luxury meets nature, creating a truly unique escape. A stay at Golden Eye is an invitation to embrace the relaxed pace of island life, where every moment is a chance to unwind and rejuvenate. Time seems to slow down here. Worries fade away, replaced by the soothing sounds of nature and the gentle rhythm of the ocean. Guests are encouraged to disconnect from the outside world and reconnect with themselves, finding peace and tranquility in the serene surroundings. The beachfront huts, like the iconic number 45, offer breathtaking ocean views that captivate the senses and provide a perfect escape. Imagine waking up to the gentle sound of waves lapping against the shore, a natural symphony that starts your day with calm and serenity. Picture yourself sipping Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee on your private deck as the sun rises over the Caribbean Sea, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink. Golden Eye's attentive staff enhances the overall experience, ensuring that every guest feels special and well cared for. They are dedicated to ensuring that every need is met with warmth and efficiency, making your stay as comfortable and enjoyable as possible. The resort's commitment to personalized service is exemplified by Sherifia, a dedicated concierge available 24/7 via WhatsApp, always ready to assist. Whether you need help booking an excursion, arranging a special dinner, or simply have a question about the resort, Sherifia is always there to assist with a smile. She signs off every message with a heartfelt "One Love," a testament to the genuine warmth and hospitality that defines the Golden Eye experience, making every interaction memorable. While Golden Eye offers a sanctuary of luxury and tranquility, the vibrant spirit of Jamaica is never far away, inviting guests to explore and experience its rich culture. Guests can venture beyond the resort's borders to experience the island's authentic culture, from its lively towns to its historic landmarks. Explore the bustling markets of nearby towns, where the colors, sounds, and scents of Jamaica come alive. Immerse yourself in the rhythms of reggae music at a local bar, where the beats and melodies create an unforgettable atmosphere. Golden Eye provides the perfect base from which to discover the heart and soul of Jamaica, offering a blend of luxury and cultural immersion that is truly unique. Alright, so when it comes to Golden Eye, it's not just about the luxury and the views, you know? It's also about the adventure and the relaxation you can find here. Imagine starting your day with a thrilling kayak ride through the crystal clear waters, or perhaps a serene yoga session on the beach as the sun rises. And then, after all that excitement, you can just kick back, relax by the lagoon, and let all your worries melt away. It's really the perfect blend of thrill and tranquility. Honestly, there's something for everyone here. The rhythms of Jamaica. They are the heartbeat of this island nation. And at Golden Eye, you can feel that pulse everywhere. From the soulful reggae tunes playing softly in the background to the gentle sway of the palm trees, the essence of Jamaica is woven into the very fabric of this resort. It's not just a place to stay, but a place to truly experience the spirit of Jamaica. Golden Eye has long been a favorite among celebrities, and it's easy to see why. Many famous faces have found solace and inspiration here, drawn by its unique charm and tranquil beauty. Whether it's the allure of staying in Ian Fleming's former home, or simply the desire to escape the spotlight, Golden Eye offers a retreat like no other. It's a place where the stars can shine in their own way, away from the glare of the public eye. The warmth and hospitality of the staff at Golden Eye are truly exceptional. From the moment you arrive, you are greeted with genuine smiles and a heartfelt "one love." This phrase, made famous by Bob Marley, embodies the spirit of unity and kindness that permeates the resort. It's not just a slogan, but a way of life here. The staff go above and beyond to make you feel at home, ensuring your stay is nothing short of magical. Golden Eye is more than just a luxurious escape. It's an authentic Jamaican story. Every corner of the resort tells a tale, from the rich history of Ian Fleming's writing desk to the vibrant local art adorning the walls. It's a place where luxury meets authenticity, offering a unique blend of comfort and culture. Whether you're lounging by the lagoon or exploring the lush gardens, you'll find that Golden Eye is a true reflection of Jamaica's beauty and heritage.